Today we're gonna go over 4 myths you should avoid in your detailing business. I see these come up all the time in the comment section. So right now we're on our way to a mobile job and I'll tell you about each one throughout the video. Let's go ahead and head out. So right now we're pumping gas. The 4Runner was low on gas. So number 1 is, do you need to be an expert detailer to start your business? And flat out no. The reason being is because as long as you know what you're specifically doing, that's good enough. Meaning you don't have to be 10 years into detailing with like 10 years of experience. If you want to wash a car and you've washed 3 cars and then you want to go wash a car for 25 bucks, you have enough experience. Because over time, as you work on your business, as you progress, you're only gonna get more skills, more experience, and more knowledge. So this whole notion of like, there's a certain amount that you have to know, it doesn't work. Because when I started back in 2011, when I was 17, 18 years old, I didn't have that much experience. I knew what I wanted to do. I knew that I enjoyed detailing. And with the limited amount of tools, product experience, knowledge, and expertise that I had, I still said, let me go and start my business because I know that I know enough to just get some basic results. Like I didn't offer paint correction or ceramic coatings, which wasn't really a thing back then, polishing or smoke coat. Like I didn't offer these like major intensive services. I started off with like a basic interior cleaning, a basic wash, like easy tasks that I can do that didn't require all that much knowledge or expertise. So point number 2 is going to be, do you need to be certified in order to start? And my answer is always absolutely no. You don't need any form of certification to offer your services. Now, if you want to go get trained because there's a bug on me. If you want to go get trained because you want to improve your skill set, you want to get better at your craft, absolutely fine. But if you want to go and get trained and certified because you want this piece of paper that says, hey, look, now I'm certified, I can go start my business, that's a big no for me. So if you want to go to training because you want to get better with your skills, with your knowledge, with your experience, yes. If you want to go get certified because you want a piece of paper that says, hey, look, I'm good enough now, I can go offer services, no, because the value you create is based on your services, your skills that you give to your customers. So it's not a piece of paper that says, hey, you know, I got this certificate now, so now I can charge, you know, 25 bucks an hour. Like you can charge whatever you want based on the value that you create for your customers, not off of a piece of paper. And the way Lex and I keep track of our mobile and shop schedule or keep track of our customers' information is all through the software Jobber. We've been using Jobber in our business on a daily basis for the last 4 years now. And if you want to get a free 14-day trial plus 20% off your first 6 months, click the link down in the description box to give it a try. From scheduling customers to sending out invoices to employees clocking in and out to sending appointment confirmations, we basically run our entire operations through Jobber. That's why we've been using them for the last 4 years. They do a great job. Click the link in the description box to give it a try. So the third point is, if you need a dedicated mobile van or work truck in order to start your business. And when I started back in 2011, it was out of my 2003 Toyota Matrix XRS. And for a lot of us detailers, we can start mobile detailing with whatever vehicle we have. If it's a Miata, a Civic, a Mustang, a Wrangler, a 4Runner, any kind of truck, like you can start with that. And I'm telling you, it's not so much the vehicle that you drive in, but it's how you carry yourself once you get on the job site. So you could still have a full mobile setup in a van and a truck and still seem unprofessional and still have terrible customer service. Whereas if you come in your Miata, but you carry yourself professionally, you talk to the customer well, you're making sure that they're taken care of. It doesn't matter the vehicle that you come in, it's how you carry yourself as a professional. It is now the next day. We finished up the vehicle. The customer loved it. I think they tipped like $30, and then we had another vehicle here at the shop. So number 4 is gonna be the biggest question that I get all the time, that I see plastered across comments on social media, is can you go mobile detailing and not have power and water? Meaning you need the customer's power and water to do the job. And this one, unequivocally, without a shadow of a doubt, yes, you can start mobile detailing, meaning going to the customer's home location or their office location if they have it, and use their power and water. I literally did that for years. I never carried a water tank or a pressure washer. I'd carry a generator, but I didn't have the other things. And no customer ever told me anything negative or told me no, or said, hey, since you're using my power and water, can I get a discount? Like, I never had any of that happen ever. Of the hundreds of houses that, or customers and houses that I went to, like, that was never a problem. And the thing I always say is, like, if you have if a customer has a problem with you using their power and water, do you really want them as a customer, right? Because if they're gonna say, hey, like, you know, you're using my power water, can you give me a discount? I mean, how much in actual cost, how much power and water are you actually using? 10 cents, 25 cents? Okay, so give them a $1 discount for using their power and water. Even now, with our full decked out van that has a 100-gallon water tank, a pressure washer, a big generator, and we have everything that we need, customers are still like, hey, by the way, do you need water? It's over there. Hey, by the way, our electrical outlet, it's over there. Let me know if you need anything. Like, that still happens to this day. So don't worry about, like, oh, I absolutely need a generator right now, or a pressure washer and a water tank and a pump and the full setup. Does it help? Yes. But should that stop you from starting and going to go and get customers and making money? Absolutely not. So if you're thinking about starting your detailing business and you want to go mobile, but you have a small vehicle, you don't have the funds to set up a full setup or to have a pressure washer and all that stuff, it's absolutely okay. Go and get customers, ask for their power, and it's very simple. All you have to say is, hey, by the way, for me to take care of the vehicle, all I need is access to power and water. Is that okay? Or is that gonna work out? Or something like, it's literally that simple of asking a question. Hey, by the way, all I need is a water source and a power outlet nearby. Is that okay? And that's literally it. And I've never had an issue with it. I'll post a video sometime this week or next week talking about how you can detail at apartments if you don't have power and water, which is still applicable to a house location as well. But don't be scared, or don't let that stop you from going mobile detailing. You can use the customer's power and water. But that's gonna wrap up this video. Hopefully you took something away. Let me know in the comment section down below, what would you add to this list? It's only 4. I could think about a dozen more, but I don't wanna make this video too long. But let me know your opinion, your input in the comment section down below. Again, check the links in the description box for anything that I mentioned today, or if you wanna find out any of the guides or courses or training that I have, just check down in the description box. I'll talk to you on the next one.